Let's look at some data concerning the equality of women. The data depicted in this map displays information concerning female politicians. We can view the source and evaluate it. The legend shows the color scheme for the percentage of female politicians. When hovering over the countries, we can view the country's name, its percentage of female politicians, and development status. One of the darkest countries is the Yemen. The Philippines belong to the lightest countries. Let's investigate those two a bit further. We select the Yemen. The line graph shows the amount of female politicians over time. The title indicates that we are looking at the right country. We observe an almost straight descending line. To have the value for each year displayed, we hover over the graph. Let us compare this to the graph of the Philippines. Let us update the graph. In contrast to the Yemen, there are multiple peaks and drops in this graph, with an overall ascending tendency. Let's now look at a country with an average percentage of female politicians, Cambodia. There's an interesting peak just before its highest value. But how can we know Cambodia is really so average in terms of equality of women? We now look at the last graph. The data depicted here concerns women's education, and here as well there's a source. The darkest color shows women with no education, scaling up to the lightest color for women with a university degree. We find Cambodia not to be average at all, but one of the worst countries depicted. The only country with more women with no education is Afghanistan. Korea is the country with the least women with no education and most women with a university degree. Interesting, right? That's what we thought too.